Well, good morning, magandang umaga. And I would normally say welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream, but this is not a episode. This is not one of my episodes. I am doing just a quick, like an infomercial to let you know I was invited, as I often am, to many different other vloggers' channels, and to get a different perspective on other things that go on around the world. Now this morning I'm invited on a show. It has to do with drone technologies, but when I get invited and I end up as part of the guest on this particular show, we kind of go off into everything. Mostly talking about the Philippines and our pool built here in the backyard presently. And you never know what topics that we go off into. So if you would like to join in on this morning's live stream event, I'm going to give you the information. It is actually live right now. The show is called Artco Drone Solutions, ARTCO Drone Solutions. And if you see the little box on there that says live, it means that we are live right now. I'm going to try to get this uploaded real quick for your personal invitation, and hopefully I can see you guys in the chat box here this morning. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you in case you wanted to join up with us. Well, let me go ahead, edit this, get it online, and jump hopefully into his live stream this morning. Well, anyway, let's do that. I will see you in his stream. Bye. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.